Good morning, everybody. Well, we've woken up to a beautiful day compared to yesterday. So the weathermen have got it right for today as well. Had another good night in the roof tent. Last night was really beautiful once the rain had stopped, and when we went to bed the sky was absolutely full of stars. And with being in the roof tent, we could open the windows and we could just lay and watch them. Well, Robert did. Robert's a star man, me not so, but lovely to see. But yeah, it was really, sorry, I'm hesitating because he's behind me. Oh yeah, mumble grumble on today. No mumble grumbling today. Yeah, so we are now going to take ourselves off for a little circular walk around Thornage. So we'll just have a little wander and see what we can see, and then see what we do later on in the day. Let's just a bit windy today, but other than that, it's absolutely gorgeous and sunny. So the campsite is just off this lane. It's a quiet lane. Not many cars go up and down, so you don't get much road traffic noise, apart from the farms. Yeah, and a man with a saw. So we're always a bit bemused when we're out in the car. We get a lot of really big, like, wide roads where they've got 40, and you think, 50 at least, and then you come to a little quiet lane like this, and you can do the national speed limit.
With big potholes.
Great big potholes.
But overgrown.
And you can do the national speed limit. Don't think I'd want to. To be honest, I don't even think I'd want to bring my car up here. Unless, of course, I had a big Range Rover or something, but now I'm not one for speeding on roads or anything, so I think we should slow down a bit for the wildlife, but seriously, 40 on a main road and 60 on this road. Anyway, but look at that. Beautiful. So the route we're following today is, we got it from OS Maps, and you could download route finders. So Robert has got the routes on his phone that we're following now. Oh, yeah. Which is handy. That's a beautiful view.
Very nice. Thank you very much. Me you're talking about?
Yeah. Beautiful. Big, big Norfolk skies. Gorgeous. I'm 5'3". I'm 5'3". Well, this must be wrong. Little hobbit. But it's been... Oh yeah. Huh? I am, so where, that must be 5. Well then I've shrunk a little bit. 5'3". That was a nice little ford that we've just gone over. I should think before the summer, when we had all that rain, that would have been flowing across there pretty strongly. Is it the River Glavin? River Glavin? You got the map? Yes, I think it's the River Glavin, or Glavern. Very pretty. From here, following the route and back again, it's probably about 3 miles. So not too far, but just enough to stretch your legs and enjoy that gorgeous countryside. So yeah, so it's now about 2:30, so we've got the afternoon to enjoy. Trying to keep the tent from flying away. The wind has really got up, but it's good, still sunny. So yeah, the one thing I'm going to have first is a nice little cold drink, and then we'll see what happens for the rest of the afternoon. See if Robert, I know, see if Robert flies off in the tent.
Back to Oz.
Back to Oz. Let's have a little look in the rooftop tent with the pretty lights on. There we go. Very cosy. We can pull and Robert wants to stargaze at night. On there, we've got one at the back. There's a big one at the front, but we keep that one done up. And then on this side.
What?
One that side as well. So yes, it's quite roomy, quite cosy. It's warm. The only thing we think we might do is, because the mattress is, when you first get in, it's not too bad, but as you go through the night, it's not as comfortable. It's quite, I think you can, well, I could feel the bars underneath. So I think we just need to get like another bit of like memory foam or something. We did try putting the self-inflatable beds in, but they're just a little bit too big. But yeah, other than that, I think it was a good investment. And there's Robert. What do you reckon, Robert?
Got a bed.
So what we've done now, as I come out, we have actually put, hang on, I'm just going to turn around. As I'm coming out, let me just set these up. Keep the bugs out. There we go, that one just drops down, it zips up and velcros.
I would have made all that rain we just did. It wasn't drop or
Yeah. So yeah, as Robert just said, all that rain we had yesterday, there wasn't one drop inside, so it stayed dry. All we had, which is what you have in any tent, is a little bit of condensation. Because it's one of the smaller rooftop tents, so with two of us in there, then you're going to get condensation, but it wasn't an awful lot. Yeah, and it withheld the wind today, because as you can see, we've put the big tent down because the wind got up really strong this afternoon, so we thought we'll put that down and just sit and enjoy the evening.
complete blackout as well.
Yes, it is, yeah. It's also, with all the windows up, completely blackout. Completely.
We were in bed till 9:30 the other morning because we didn't realise what.
We were 9:30, and we were 9:30 in the morning. We were still in bed, and it was only the fact that we heard the children in the other pitch over the way there. Heard the children screaming and shouting. And I thought, wonder what the time was, and at 9:30. But no, it's good. So what we're going to do now is just, you can see we've got our little setup out here with our kettle and everything. Just going to sit here until it goes dark, and then head to bed. And then tomorrow we haven't got to be off the pitch until 2 o'clock, so we can just have because we haven't now got to put the big tent down, and most of the stuff is packed away. All we've got to pack away is the bedding, and just a few bits and bobs, so we can have just a nice chilled morning breakfast outside. Yeah, okay, so I will sign off for now. Might pop on again in the morning. We'll see what it's like. It's supposed to be another nice day tomorrow, but I'll finish the video here. And yeah, so thanks for watching. Until next time, see you later. Let's say goodbye, Mr. Tilsley.
Bye, Mr. Tilsley.
Hey.